Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve real estate compliance with Compliance Depot, detailed guide step by step clearly. To improve real estate compliance with Compliance Depot, begin by understanding the importance of compliance. Recognize that compliance is essential for mitigating risks and protecting your organization. Identify the specific compliance requirements that apply to your real estate operations. Assess your current compliance status by conducting a thorough audit of existing processes. Gather all relevant documentation related to compliance, including policies and procedures. Introduce Compliance Depot as a robust solution that simplifies compliance management. Create a Compliance Depot account to access its full suite of tools and resources. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard to navigate easily through its features. Utilize the document management feature to store and organize your compliance documents. Upload existing compliance forms for easy access and tracking. Set reminders and alerts for upcoming deadlines to ensure that you never miss a compliance requirement. Leverage the reporting tools to generate compliance status reports quickly. Conduct regular training sessions for your team to ensure everyone understands compliance protocols. Incorporate Compliance Depot's training modules to enhance your team's knowledge. Establish a continuous review process to adapt to any changes in regulations or requirements. Monitor progress through Compliance Depot's analytics to measure compliance improvement over time. Schedule periodic compliance reviews to maintain ongoing adherence to regulations. Communicate regularly with Compliance Depot support for assistance with any challenges. Stay updated with the latest regulatory changes by subscribing to industry newsletters or resources. Utilize the feedback feature within Compliance Depot to improve your compliance processes continuously. Engage with compliance experts through webinars or forums offered by Compliance Depot. Celebrate compliance milestones with your team to encourage a culture of compliance. Document all compliance activities for accountability and future reference. Implement a corrective action plan for addressing any compliance breaches swiftly. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance your real estate compliance using Compliance Depot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.